I will show you how to grow aloe vera from cuttings or from a broken stem. Take a stem cutting which has nodes. You can cut the plant here. This is a broken stem. I will replant it to grow it again. Remove most of the leaves, otherwise they will dry as there are no roots on the stem. You can plant these leaves to grow new aloe vera plants. Rooting medium should be free draining. You can use the rooting soil for succulents or make your own by mixing river sand in soil to make it free draining. I removed the damaged leaves and planted it again in the same pot.